Listen, those people who are with this bot today, don't worry about tomorrow, because their system works every day, consistently, and you are still right where you were. This video is that last push, watch, judge, and decide. Zoya here, welcome back. Today, I want to ask an honest question. How many times in your trading journey did it happen that you took the right trade, the candle tested you a bit, and your patience broke? How many times did you take an early exit, only to find out later that the trade would have been a win? These are the exact moments that come in the absence of a right system. Zoya AI SureShot bot eliminates that absence. Direction, entry timing, market structure, everything is analyzed beforehand. Your job is simply to execute and keep your trust. Today, that trust will be live on the screen. The bot link is in the description and in the pinned comment too. Let's get started. First signal, get signal. The signal is here. NZD CHF OTC, direction sell. Located the pair. Selected sell, amount, expiry, execute. Trade is live. The candle stayed in the green zone most of the time. Seeing this in a sell trade is genuinely uncomfortable, but I didn't flinch. The bot sell signal was valid. This green movement was only on the surface. The underlying direction was downward. At the very end, flip. The candle caught the red direction and gave a red close. Timer done, red close, close. Sell item, SureShot win, profit. Green most of the time, a flip at the end, a red close, trust worked. First trade done. Second signal, get signal, signal ready. USD BRL OTC, direction buy. Located the pair. Selected BUI, amount, expiry, execute. Trade is live. This candle is completely different from the last one, straight into the green zone right at the open. Green the entire time, no test, no confusion. Buyers took complete dominance right from the start and never let go. A big green body is building strongly. Position deep in the ITM. Timer almost done, big green close, close. Buy item, big SureShot win, profit. Green all the time, a big green close. 2 trades, 2 wins, the bot was perfect in both. Third signal, get signal. The signal dropped. USD JPY OTC, direction buy. Located the pair. Selected BUI, amount, expiry, execute. Trade is live. In the beginning, the candle went into the red zone, briefly down. Seeing this moment in a BUI trade is the exact test I talked about in the intro. It requires patience. And then flip. The candle caught the green direction and stayed there the entire time. Buyers took control. Timer almost done. Green the entire time. Green close. Buy item, SureShot win. Profit. A red start, then green the entire time up to the close. 3 trades, 3 wins. The system justified our patience. Fourth and final signal, get signal. The final signal is here. USD NGN OTC, direction sell. Located the pair. Selected sell, confirmed amount, expiry, execute. Last trade is live. In the beginning, the candle showed a green move, briefly up. A green start in a sell trade. Once again, the exact same test of patience. But now I am even more confident. The exact same pattern appeared earlier today, and the bot was right. Then, flip. The candle caught the red direction and stayed in the red zone the entire time. Timer almost done. Red the entire time. Red close. Sell item, SureShot win. Profit. A green start, then red the entire time up to the close. 4 trades, 4 wins. A green most of the time sell win. A clean BUI, a red start flip, a green start flip. The bot was right in every single pattern. 4 trades, 4 wins, the entire session in profit. And that question I asked in the intro, how many times did your patience break? How many times did you take an early exit? In today's session, that patience was tested, and the system proved that our trust was right. This is the difference that a proper system makes. You can develop that trust too. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment too. Get it today and end that feeling of taking early exits forever. Happy trading. See you next time.